Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to virtual learning. I hope you are all fine students. This is your third lecture of Islamic studies. In the last lecture, we have done ayat of Surah Anfal from 35 to 37, and we also did the words meaning and exercise. Now we are going to do the Unit A, Lesson 6, Part 1. In this ayat, we will translate the ayat from 38 to 44. Now we are going to start ayat number 38 of Surah Anfal. قل للذين كفروا قل say tell للذين كفروا the disbelievers للذين people kafaru who disbelieve قل للذين كفروا tell the disbelievers in yantahu if yantahu they desist if they stop yugfar lahum yugfar forgiven lahum for them ma what kad salafa what they did in the past wa in and if yaudu yaudu if they return if they return mean if they commit the same wrong deeds again fakat so mazat occurred in the past sunnatu in the same manner awwalin the earlier nations. Now we are going to revise this ayat in detail. In this ayat, Allah said to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Kulillazina kafaru." O Muhammad, tell the disbelievers, in yantahu, if they desist, if they stop from doing bad deeds, yugfar lahum, so they will be forgiven. Maqad salafa, what they did in the past. If in the past, when they were disbelievers, they did the mistakes, they did the bad deeds, so Allah will forgive them. Wine and if yaudu, if they return, mean if again they will come back, they will do the bad deeds, they will leave, they will disobey the Allah, and they will leave the teaching of Islam. Fakat mazat, so what happened, what occurred in the past, sunnatul awwalin, in the same manner. So they will be treated in the same manner as were treated the Sunnatul Awwaleen, earlier nations and former people. It means if the disbelievers will stop doing their bad deeds, so Allah will forgive them. But if they will return, if they will again do their bad deeds, then the wrongdoers will be severely punished. Next, here we are going to translate ayat number 39. وَقَاتِلُوهُمْ حَتَّى لَا تَكُونُ فِتْنَةٌ وَقَاتِلُوهُمْ. Qatilu here means fighting. وَقَاتِلُوهُمْ, keep on fighting whom? With them. In this ayat, Allah ordered the believers, وَقَاتِلُوهُمْ, keep on fighting with them, mean with the disbelievers, hatta, until, la takunu, there is no more, fitnatun, mischief, وَيَكُونُ, and there, ad-deen, the religion, kulluhu, all, lillahi, for Allah, and there there prevails the religion of Islam perfectly. Fai nintahu, and if they stop, if they desist from wrong deeds, fa innallaha, so Allah, bima, what, yamaluna, they do, basir, sees. وَقَاتِلُوهُمْ حَتَّى لَا تَكُونُ فِتْنَةٌ. In this ayat, Allah ordered the believers to fight the disbelievers until the religion of Islam spread. La takunu fitna, and there is no more mischief. Yakunu, and there, yakunu dinu kulluhu lillahi, and the entire religion be only of Allah. Fa'i nintahu, and if they desist, if the disbelievers stop their bad deeds, so fa'innallaha, Allah, bima yamaluna basir. So what they are doing, Allah sees everything. Now we will translate ayat 40. In tawallo, in, if, tawallo, they turn back, falamu, then you should know, annallaha, that Allah, maulakum, Allah is your maula, protector, kum, your, Allah is your protector, Nemal Maula, name best, Maula, protector, is the best protector, excellent protector, Wanemun Nasir, and the best, Nasir mean helper. We will repeat this ayat. In tawallo, if they turn back, if the disbelievers turn back, mean again refuse to obey Allah, and they will do the kufr. Fa'lamu, so then you should know that Allah will punish the disbelievers in a very painful way. Annallaha, Allah, Maulakum is your protector. Maula means protector, and he is the best protector, Nimul Mola, wa Nimul Nasir, and he is the Nema mean excellent or best. Nasir from Nasir mean helper, and he is the excellent helper. Here we will translate the ayat number 41. Walamu, and now annama, that ghanimtum, spoils of war, min shayin, that you take, fa anna lillahi, fa anna then lillahi, for Allah, khumusa, a fifth share of it, then a fifth share of it for Allah, wali rasuli, and for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, wala walizil qurba, and for the near relatives, wal yatama, and for the orphans, wal masakina, wal masakini, and for the needy, wabn sabil, and the travelers, in kuntum, if you are, amantum, believe, billahi, on Allah. You will do all these things if you believe in Allah. Wama, and what anzalna, we sent down, ala, on, abdina, our devotee, Yomul Furqan, which day? On the day of testing. Yomul Furqan means on the day of testing. The day when the battle of Badr was fought. Yomul Taka Jamani. Yomul Taka, it was the day when came face to face Jamani, two armies. Wallahu, and Allah, Allah, on, kulli, all, shayin, things, qadir, power. Now we will repeat this ayat. In this ayat, Allah said to the believers, Walamu, and know, annama, that ghanimtum min shayin, that whatever spoils of war that you take in battle, fa inna lillahi khumusa, then a fifth share of it is for Allah, wali rasuli, and belongs to for Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, wali zil qurba, and for the near relatives, those relatives who are in need, who are needy. wal yatama and orphans, wal masakini and needy, wabn sabil and the travelers. In kuntum amantum billahi, you will do so if you believe in Allah, wama anzalna ala abdina, and that we send down on our devotee, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Yomul Furqani, on the day of testing, the day of decision. The Battle of Badr is also called the Yomul Furqan, the day of decision. Yomul Taka, it was the day Taka, face to face, Jamani, two armies. One army, one group of army was the Kuffar of Makkah and the Muslims. Two armies came face to face. Wallahu, and Allah, ala kulli shayin qadir, and Allah has power over all things, and Allah can do everything. Ayat 42 is when Antum, you were, Bil Aduti, at the end, the Dunya, Bil Adut Dunya, when you were at the end of near of the valley of Medina, Wahum, and they, mean disbelievers, Bil Adutid Uswa, and they were at the far away end. Warak, Warakbu, and the caravan, Asfal, lower, Minkum, was on the lower ground. Walo, and had you, Tawa Attum, and had you made a mutual appointment or mutual promise to meet for the battle of Badr. Lakhtalaftum fil mi'adi, lakhtalaftum, you have failed to keep the promised time. Walakin, but Allah, walakin, but liyaqdillahu, but Allah, yaqdi mean decided, Allahu Allah, but Allah had decided amran, to fulfill the work, kana mafulan, and which must be fulfilled. Li yuhlika, so that he who yuhlika, who bound to die, man halaka, might die, unbayinati, with clear sign, on this truth that Allah is only the ruler of all the universe. Vayahya, and he who could survive, man hayya, might survive, unbayinatin, with the clear sign, wa innallaha, and undoubtedly Allah, la samiyun, hears, alim, knows. We write in bracket all things. Now we are going to revise this ayah. In this ayat, Allah said to the believers, Is antum bil atud dunya? And remember when you were at the near end of the valley of Medina, Wahum bil adu watil kuswa, and they, mean disbelievers, were at the far away end of the valley. Warakbu, and Karwan asfala minkum, and Karwan was on the lower ground. Walo tawa attum, and had you made a mutual promise to meet for the battle of Badr, lakhtalaftum fil mi'adi, you would fail to reach the promise time. Walakin, but liyukdillahu, but Allah already decided, kana mafulan, so which must be fulfilled. Liyuhlika, so that who bound to die, man halaka, might die, unbayinat, with a clear sign on this belief that Allah only worthy of worship, and He is the ruler of all the universe. Wa Yahya, and he who could survive, man hayya, might survive, Bejinatan, with the clear sign, wa inna allaha, inna mean verily, or we can also say undoubtedly, Allah, la samiun, hears, alim, and knows. Allah hears and knows all things. Here we are going to translate Ayat 43 of Surah Anfal. Is yurikahumullahu fi manamika kalilan. Is yurikahumullahu, is when yurikahumullahu, Allah showed them, fi manamika, fi in manamika, in your dream, kalilan, few. Is yurikumu when Allah showed them as few, kalilan, as few in number, fi manamika, in your dreams, walau, and if ara kahum, if he shown them, kasiran, in great number, to you, la fashiltum, so you would lose your courage, wala tanazatum, and you would have disputed, fil amri, over the matter. In which matter? In taking decision. Walakin Allah, but Allah, Salam, but Allah saved you from such a dispute. Innahu, verily, Allah, Alimun, knows, Bizat Sadur, what is in the hearts of people. Now we will revise this ayat. First I will explain this ayat, that Allah showed the believers in their dreams that the disbelievers are few in number. It was the logic, it was the hikmah of Allah. If Allah shown disbelievers in great number. Then the Muslims disheartened and have disputed in taking decision about the matter of war, about the battle of Badr. Okay, so how they can participate and they can defeat the disbelievers or not. So they were in confusion. But Allah saved the believers from such a dispute because Allah knows the thoughts in the hearts. Here, ayat number 44. Ayat number 44 is the last ayat of our this lesson 6. Wise and when Yuriku Muhum. Wise and when Yuriku Muhum, Allah showed them. He made you. E is a when Al-Taqitum. When you come, Taqitum, when you came face to face. Fi ayunikum, in your eyes. Kalilan, few in number. Wa yukallilukum, and Allah showed you few in number. Fi ayunihim, in their eyes. Li yukdillahu, so Allah might fulfill the thing kana mafulan, which must be fulfilled, wa ilallahi, and towards Allah, turja'u, go back, amur, all the affairs. Now we revise this ayat. Wa is and when yurikuhum, Allah showed them. Izal takitum, when you came face to face. Fi unikum, when you came face to face with the disbelievers. So Allah made you see them, means see the disbelievers as few, a unicorn in your eyes. Vayukallilukum, and He made them fi a unicorn in your eyes, few in number. Liyukdi Allahu, so that Allah fulfill the amran, the work. So Allah want to fulfill the work, this matter. Kana mafulan, which is to be done, which is to be done, which must be accomplished. Wa ilallahi, and towards Allah, turjaul amur, all affairs go back, and all affairs go back to Allah for decision, and because the final decision is always for Allah. Allah is the ruler of all the universe. Allah can do everything. Allah has power on all the things. Thanks students for watching and paying attention over this lesson of lesson 6 of Surah Anfal is finished. So inshallah in our next lecture we will do the exercise and words meaning. So please, you have to revise these ayat of lesson 6. Okay. I will see you in your next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.